Bakit tayo nalulungkot minsan? Paano ba natin malalabanan ang lungkot sa buhay? There are things that we can do. We have to accept that disappointments will come. Train your mind and your heart that disappointments will happen. No matter what, we will experience this. But you have to train and discipline yourself that disappointments will happen in life. Kasama yan sa buhay. May lungkot, may saya. If we become stronger, hindi na tayo mahihirapan. Minsan, bumibigay tayo sa mga lungkot at hirap sa buhay. Pero kapag naging malakas tayo, hindi na tayo basta-basta mabubuwag. Lahat dumadaan lang sa buhay. Our loved ones will go, our parents, our friends, money will go. We will get sick. It will come. Pero lahat, lilipas din. All of these trials and problems, it will go. May kanya-kanya tayong panahon. Sabi nga, learn to dance with the rain. Huwag tayong magalit sa ulan. Matuto tayong gumamit ng umbrella, di ba? Paano natin masusuong ang ulan, ang bagyo sa buhay? Kung lagi nating iisipin kung paano mawawala ang problema, lalo lang tayong malulungkot at madidisappoint. It will never happen. Hindi mawawala ang problema at mga pagsubok sa buhay. But if we prepare ourselves, hindi tayo basta-basta susuko. Just learn to accept things. Create good memories. The more memories na meron tayo, mas magiging masaya ang buhay. Create better, happier memories. Expect bad things will happen in your life. Move forward. Always start fresh. Every day is a new beginning. Listen to the Word of God. It will nourish our soul. It will help us to be positive every day. The Word of God will be our weapon. And if we listen to the Word of God, it will be our inspiration. Huwag nating hayaan na nakawin ng kalungkutan ang mga oras at pagkakataon na pwede tayong maging masaya. We don't have the luxury of time. Kung pwede naman tayong maging masaya, grab the opportunity. Everything is grace.